Hello, I'm Craig Jackson. Today we're going to talk about a different way that you can create a test or a pool for use in Blackboard without being in Blackboard. And what we're going to show you about is a Blackboard quiz generator. This one is from the College of Southern Idaho. Now we've got the link for you that we're going to share a little bit later on, and it is also going to be up on our website. What this does is this allows you to type your stuff in a Word document or whatever you'd like to do, or even just type it directly into the screen. And then you can create the quiz. It's actually going to create a pool that can be turned into a quiz. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here and use their questions, the different types of questions. As you can see, you can do 6 different types of questions: multiple choice, multi-answer, true, false, essay, fill in the blank, and matching. And they've given us an example of each one. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy that, and then we're going to take this and go over and paste it into our Word document. Now, why are we doing this? Because this is where you're going to have to most of the time you're going to be doing this in a Word document anyway. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and come in here, and we're going to cut out the part here that says what kind of question it is. And then at the end of it, we're going to hit Control Enter to put a hard break. We want to put each question on a separate page, and we'll show you why when we get into the next portion of this. Now we're going to do a multiple answer. We're going to create this, and we're going to change this to number 2. And again, we're going to change this to a hard break. This one we'll change to number 3. Now we go to our essay one. We're going to bring this one back, change it to number 4, hard return there, fill in the blank. We're going to do this, and as you can see this time, it's actually got the word blank as the code in front of it. 2 plus 2 equals whatever. So we're going to take this, and I believe we're on number 5 now. And if you were doing this normally, you'd just be numbering it right down the page. Now we're going to come to our matching. This is an interesting one because we've had some problems creating matching ones in Excel. So we're going to delete this. As you can see, we've got match the numbers as we see it. Now once we do this, we're going to simply Control A and copy all of the pages, all 6 pages. And then we're going to do Control C, which copies everything. Now we're going to go back to our web page. We're going to give this a quiz name. And then we're going to simply come in and paste our information in. And one thing we do need to do, we need to make that a 6 because you just want to have all these in the different orders. So we start up here, it's got multiple choice, multiple choice, true, false, essay question, fill in the blank, and matching. Once we've got all of our content in, we're simply going to left click on Create Quiz. Now it will go through and automatically create your information, and it'll say your tests seem to have 6 questions. The package is available here. You left click on the Here button, and what it's going to do is it's going to save a file called bbquiz.zip. Now as you do multiple pools and different things, they're all going to be named bbquiz.zip, but they'll be sequential if you need to, or you can just delete these and use them later. So we're going to go ahead and save this. Now once we've got this pool in here, as you can see, this one is going to be bbquiz8zip. Now we come over to our Blackboard, we go to our course, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into my demo lab. Once we do this, we simply have a couple of quick steps. We go down to Course Tools, and then we come down to Tests, Surveys, and Pools. We come into Pools, and now we simply come up and do Import Pool. When we do the Import Pool, we'll now go to our browser or to our computer. We'll go to Downloads, and we'll get that last file right here, bbquiz8. Select that, there it is, and now we submit it. Once we do that, It's going to upload the information. The operation has been completed. So now we go back to tests, surveys, and pools. We look at the pools, and we can see here's our BB test support demo pool right here, and we can actually do it by the date last edited to make this easier to see. And here it is. So if we wanted to, we could go in and edit this and look at it, and what it's going to have is all the questions that we put in. We've got multiple choice, multi-answer, true, false, essay, fill in the blank, and matching. Now, how do we get this pool over into a test? Very, very simple. We go in and we create our test. Build the test. And then we can put whatever we need to in here. We submit this. Now, we come up to Find Questions, which pops up a window, which is going to let us look for the stuff that we just created in the Southern Colorado one. So now I'm going to come in here and turn off all of my tests. I'm going to come up to Pools and turn off all of my pools. And then I want to do my BB Tech Support demo pool. Looks pretty familiar, doesn't it? Now I'm going to come over here, select them all. These are the ones that we just took from a Word document and pasted into a web page. We're going to submit those. And now, here are all of our questions. They're all at 10 points. If we want to, we can come back in and change them to whatever we need to. But that's how easy it is to take a quiz from a Word document or text file or whatever, copy and paste it into the quiz generator, College of Southern Idaho, I'm sorry, and then you can create that. We'll have some documentation out there soon. I hope that it's helped you a lot. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me here, BB Tech Support at rcu.msstate.edu. Thank you and have a good day.